good morning, my pre-algebra class. So we're going to do an ed puzzle for actually both of your science and your math exams today. So I'm going to give this a shot. So here is the pre-algebra exam. Alright, so the first question is, under the writing a variable expression, remember that an expression does not have an equal sign. So I have twice as many markers as Cameron. I'm going to use the variable K for Cameron. The next problem, Bob watched 4 more movies than Lewis. L. Caleb has $6 less than Mackay. Eric is 2/3 as tall as his mother. M. In PEMDAS, the P is for, the E is for, the M and the D is for, the A and the S is for, and we use PEMDAS to evaluating for a variable. In the expression 5x minus 7, evaluate for x equals 6. So to evaluate, all you have to do is plug in 6 wherever you see an x. Don't forget to put in parentheses. In the expression 5x minus 7, evaluate for x equals 3. So it's the same expression, you're just putting in a different value for x. In the expression 5x minus 7, evaluate for x equals -2. Don't forget the negative. Solving one-step equations. X minus 3 equals 10. X plus 4 equals 13. 3x equals 18. And x over 8 equals 5. Solving two-step equations. So first you're going to either add or subtract, then you will either multiply or divide. 3x minus 8 equals 10. X over 2 plus 12 equals 3. Don't call me after midnight. The D stands for, the C stands for, the M stands for, the A stands for, and the other M stands for. And what do we use this acronym for? Last section. Combine like terms and solve. Remember that because these terms are on the same side of the equal sign, you just either add or subtract the way that you regularly would. 3x plus 7x equals 100. And 12x minus 7x equals 25. Alright guys, that's the rest of the exam. Have a great day.